When people talk about stream processing, they often jump straight to tools. The better starting point is the mental model. Once the core ideas are clear, the technology choices make a lot more sense. This topic matters because it changes how engineers make design decisions under pressure. Stream processing is essential for applications like real-time analytics and monitoring. Message brokers help manage message flow and ensure reliability in distributed systems. If this term is new, here is the simple version. Stream processing is the continuous analysis of data as it arrives, rather than waiting for all data to be collected. Understanding stream processing helps you design systems that react to data in real time. A stock trading platform uses stream processing to analyze market data and trigger trades instantly. Here is the concrete picture. Kafka acts as a message broker that stores and forwards messages between services. That example matters because message brokers provide durability and fault tolerance for message delivery. Event streams are continuous flows of data generated by events happening in real time. Event streams enable systems to react to changes as they occur. Event streams are the foundation of stream processing and real-time data systems. If this term is new, here is the simple version. Change data capture is a method to track and capture changes to data in real time. Change data capture helps keep systems in sync by capturing updates as they happen. A database uses change data capture to update a data warehouse in real time. Here is the concrete picture. A financial system uses event sourcing to track all transactions and rebuild account balances. That example matters because event sourcing provides a reliable way to track and audit changes over time. Immutability means that once data is created, it cannot be changed. Immutability is key to building reliable and traceable systems. Immutability ensures data integrity and simplifies debugging and auditing. At this point, the important shift is to stop viewing these concepts in isolation. Event streams are continuous flows of data generated by events happening in real time. Event sourcing is a pattern where the state of a system is stored as a sequence of events. Once those pieces connect, the overall system design starts to make much more sense. A common mistake is optimizing one small part of the system while ignoring the surrounding trade-off. Kafka uses partitioned logs to store and manage high-throughput event streams. That is why this topic shows up so often in system design interviews and production incidents. If you remember one thing, make it this. Stream processing is really about choosing the right trade-off for the workload in front of you. Strong system design starts there.